I'm not fixing my hair today. So, remember I told you that in order to change the prop of the father, you need to use states. So let's use them. So we need some import use state equals, not equals, we're not destructuring, from React. Okay, so name is going to be const let's say father's name, set father's name. Okay, so use state Alejandro is the same structure that we have been using, Alejandro. So name is going to pass father's name, and this should not change anything. Okay, but what if I want the child to change the father's name? Interesting, right? So I can do this. I can pass the set state as a prop to my component. So set father's name equals to set father's name. So now we catch the setter, set father's name, and we can use it inside the child. So look at this. Let's use an input. Okay, so we have the name and we have an input type text, and then we have an on change we're going to listen to the event, and then we're going to set father's name. See how we're using the prop father's name, which is a function in the child, father's name, to the event target value. So it takes the value from the input. So this is gonna break because this is gonna break because God hates me and children is not being used. What else? Unexpected token. Yeah, of course. You need to end the input like that, and we need to end the fragment. So whatever I put here is going to change the father's name. See? So set father's name is being called on the child and is changing the father's name. So the father's name is being passed as a prop name and is being shown here. So the child is changing the father's name using a state, but that is being passed as a prop with the name. So name is going to be the same as what we write here, and that's state from child to father changing, and all of that in 5 minutes. I hope this didn't take more than that. Thank you and see you later. Bye guys.